Section 144 or CRPC in Pakistan is a legal provision that empowers the district administration to prohibit the assembly for 4 or more people in the area for specified period. This measures in typical enactment of to maintain law and order, prevent public disturbance and ensure public safety. Historical context of this section: this section is rooted in from the British era, and now then it comes to Pakistani law. The provision was designed to address potential threats to public peace and safety. The application of Section 144 has often been subject to legal and constitutional debate in Pakistan. Here are some key points. Expressive powers: the section grants broader powers to the state, allowing to impose restriction to stop disturbance. This can lead to criticism regarding its potential and misuse fundamental rights. The imposition of Section 144 can sometimes conflict with the fundamental rights such as freedom of speech, assembly and association, which are granted under the Constitution of Pakistan. Court have to balance these rights against the need to maintain public order. Judicial precedents: Pakistan and courts have upheld constitutionally of Section 144, but they also emphasize its application must be justified, not be arbitrary. The court scrutinized where there are protests, there should be proper management. So if this section is posed, then the government should take all the necessary steps to avoid unrest and maintain public order. But on the other hand, they should keep in mind that no misuse of this section can be done in the name of law.